Welcome to the Mind Dilemma. Today you are going to guess and learn 100 animals. Some of them will be cute and some, quite creepy. Let's go! What's the name of that animal? It's a penguin. An owl. That's right, it's a koala. How about this one? A frog. Yes, it is a goat. A lion. Can you guess this one? That's a shark. A goldfish. Correct, it is a crocodile. Do you recognize this animal? A monkey. It is a jellyfish. A monitor lizard. Let's see if you recognize this one. That is a cat. What a beautiful creature, isn't it? A panther. It's a puma. Next animal. A koala. That's right, it's a serpent. A cheetah. Do you recognize this one? Yes, it is a horse. A falcon. That's an ostrich. How is this animal called? A jaguar. Correct, it is a grasshopper. A seal. Any ideas who this is? It is a fox. A wolf. That is a ladybug. Let's move on. A dinosaur. It's a bison. An ocelot. What's the name of that animal? That's right, it's a crab. A cow. Yes, it is a chameleon. How about this one? A corgi. That's a flamingo. A bee. Can you guess this one? Correct, it is an orca. A hippopotamus. It is a lionfish. Do you recognize this animal? A butterfly. That is a pig. A tiger. Let's see if you recognize this one. It's a gecko. An ostrich. That's right, it's a raccoon. Next animal. An elk. Yes, it is a red fox. A hamster. Do you recognize this one? That's a narwhal. A whale. Correct, it is a turtle. How is this animal called? A dog. It is a roe deer. A moose. Any ideas who this is? That is a dolphin. A deer. It's a panda. Let's move on. A polar bear. That's right, it's a peacock. A giraffe. What's the name of that animal? Yes, it is a meerkat. A lemur. That's a shrimp. How about this one? A pigeon. Correct, it is a gorilla. A polar bear. Can you guess this one? It is a rabbit. An elephant. That is a toucan. Do you recognize this animal? A macaw. It's a hedgehog. A sloth. Let's see if you recognize this one. That's right, it's a boar. What a beautiful creature, isn't it? An octopus. Yes, it is an otter. Next animal. An iguana. That's a bear. A bat. Do you recognize this one? Correct, it is a hummingbird. A zebra. It is a lobster. How is this animal called? A lemur. That is a beaver. A kangaroo. Any ideas who this is? It's a cougar. A chimpanzee. That's right, it's an eagle. Let's move on. A mantis. Yes, it is a snake. Wow, who might that be? A barrel-eye fish. What's the name of that animal? That's a rhino. A dove. Correct, it is a camel. How about this one? A squirrel. It is a parrot. A snail. Can you guess this one? That is an orangutan. A baboon. It's an alpaca. Do you recognize this animal? It's a tortoise. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to write down how many animals you've guessed. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos.